What the haters talking about?
What's up, family? Azealia Banks appears to have dug up her cat and cooked it. She documented the whole thing on Instagram. She shared a series of photos and videos that she appeared to have dug up her cat, her dead cat, Lucifer, and cooked him in a pan. Fam, this ain't for the faint of heart. Lucifer, 2009 to 2020. My dear kitty, she said, thank you for everything. A legend, an icon, forever a serve. The cat went out with an effing bang, taking my BITCH to Miami. She showed off a shrine-like display that includes her unearthed cat skull, peacock feathers, a bottle of champagne, a $100 bill, and a mostly empty bottle of Chanel 5. She posted a picture of her cat skull on her wall and to her Instagram stories. The fans were left horrified, with many thinking that perhaps this is part of some type of elaborate prank. Others took it a step further. They called the police on her, they say. A lot of fans were going in on her. They were saying that Instagram needs to ban her account. Some people were calling her spiritually evil. Someone said that she was practicing witchcraft. That could explain dead cat soup. Fam, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it had to be a prank. I just can't see her doing that. I cannot see her digging up a cat from 30 days ago being buried and making soup out of it. In fact, I don't even think I think something like that could kill you. I'm not sure. I need to look into that. I don't think you can eat an expired corpse that's been in the ground for 3 months. I just don't want to believe that Azealia Banks has fell off like that. I don't want to believe that she's like tripping that hard. Because if it's real, if that was real, she going to jail. They are not playing about those animals. You can't harm an animal in the afterlife. Oh, man, she might get they might give her the death penalty. An animal? Oh, man. You know, animals in America are way more valuable than human beings. You know, gun a human being down and dismember a human being, and you might get off scot-free. But you do that to an animal, you out of here. One question looms. What is Peter thinking about all of this? No more talk.
What the haters talking about?